Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify at SSL and HTTPS using Squarespace domains. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To verify and add SSL and HTTPS to your Squarespace domain, start by logging into your Squarespace account. Navigate to the website you want to manage. In the left sidebar, click on Settings. Scroll down and select Domains. Click on the domain name to access its settings. Look for an option labeled SSL. If it's not already enabled, switch the setting to Secure. For third-party domains, you might need to ensure that the DNS records are correctly set up. After enabling SSL, go back to the Settings menu. Select Website from the list. Scroll to find the SSL section again. Choose the option for Secure to ensure HTTPS is active throughout your site. Once the SSL certificate is active, you can access your site using HTTPS by typing in the URL. To confirm SSL is properly installed, check for a padlock icon in the browser's address bar. If you see the padlock, your site is secured with SSL. It may take a few minutes for the changes to propagate. If you encounter any issues, revisit the domain settings and look for troubleshooting tips. After everything is set up, regularly check your site to ensure it remains secure. Keep your content updated and monitor your site's performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.